All right, folks, Manversation comes up right now. So the Bro Code is an unwritten set of rules that serve as the foundation for any long-standing and successful male friendship. This morning we'll share a few examples and we will share if we agree with them or not. Where does it come from? Well, right now it says it's on, as I said, unwritten set of rules. But apparently it was, culture. Yeah, so, but do these rules also apply to other cultures like us? First one says bros before girls. No, not for me. They said this is the most important rule of the Bro Code playbook. Call it the First Amendment of being a guy, if you will. Your bros come before any girl. Your friends will always be there for you, but a girl might not.
No. We can put some before,
I was just going to say
bros
some.
Before some girls.
Bros before some girls, but not all of them.
But do remember that when they say girls here, it's a specific type of girl.
So it's talking about a friendship girl, not as opposed to your girlfriend type of thing.
Or a girl in who you only have a fleeting interest. So...
Me still says... Maybe that got some of them.
Yeah, bros before some girls.
Yeah, me still say
some type of girl.
No, me doesn't say girls before some bros. I would do it the other way. I would say girls before some bros.
Yeah?
I would do it the other way.
No, I said bros before some girl. Cause
let me just say what I
No. You said different dialogue.
I just said bros.
You said girls before some bros.
No, I said bros before some girls.
Oh, all right. Well, yeah, we can agree with that one then.
Yeah.
Never date your bro's ex.
Well, I mean, if it's your ex, it's your ex still, you know. It's done.
Yeah, but if you're brethren, they're brethren never.
No, I mean, I'll jump off on that one. If it's your ex, it's your ex. I mean, if my friend and I finished Monday, I don't think I will run in Tuesday.
So like when,
but
Thursday?
Maybe Friday.
No, somebody come for the money.
No, I am not going to start. No, personally, you only know me already, you know. I like just to say how I feel. Right. And I'm not going to come right across the board and say I would never do that. No, I'm not going to say that.
Right. No.
And it also depends on the bro, too. You know what I mean?
Right.
It depends on who the bro is. I mean, if it's my bona fide,
yeah,
then maybe. Yeah. But if it's not the tree bona fide, then.
Yeah. No, what if your brethren is a police or a soldier?
So I'm okay. But it's an ex. I'm done.
Yeah. All right.
I am not going to say I wouldn't do it. Let me put it this way. I'd be lying if I said I would definitely wouldn't do it.
Right.
But I mean, I don't think I'd just say, your name down? Yeah, man, come here now. I wouldn't do that either.
Well, for me personally still, I have some brethren, right? Like I said, bona fide.
Yeah.
Like, if them divorce or them left the woman or the woman left them, whatever it is, the relationship done, me not gonna so.
That's what I said. I said it depends on who the bro is.
And I guess time might...
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. So I'm not going to come out and just say I would never do that.
Don't date your bro's sister.
Why not? No, but why not?
Yeah. No, I'm with you right there.
To be honest, I would want to date my bro because my brethren. So,
right. So you know the family.
So I know the family and things. So why not though?
Absolutely.
I don't understand that.
Let's look for the next one. Wingman duties.
You know me, I'll get myself in that trouble. Well, I feel I don't get myself
too late now.
Already. By the way, this was how I did feel 40 years ago. As a wingman, it's your job to help your bro get with a girl. This means you should be willing to talk him up, make him look good, and step in if things start to go wrong. That's the part I don't understand.
And the last part?
And step in if things start to go wrong.
Yeah.
I don't understand. Well, first, I don't understand what you mean by if things start to go wrong. And then what? I step in and do what?
Right.
So when I step...
Like, hey, listen, me talk up my brethren, so
who I step in to? Him or she?
So I put in a good word.
That's what I said. So I step in and say, oh, you're not dealing with Clive. I don't understand. I'm like, yeah, and he's a nice youth and stuff. Or I go to Clive and say, you're not doing the right thing.
Or both.
No.
But for me, though, like, I carry the horse to the water. You understand? So if the horse don't want to drink, then the horse just not thirsty. You understand?
But why
Me not
would you
step
can't
in.
go out in the first place if you don't know that him thirsty?
No, what I'm saying.
No, we just want to know. Is that a stupid question?
In this one,
No, is that
the
a stupid
proverbial
question?
horse, the proverbial horse is the girl. So I carry her go to my brethren, which is the water. You understand me?
Okay.
Right.
But I could still ask the question, why would you carry her if you didn't think that something could happen?
No, because I think the horse thirsty. That's why we carry the horse go to the water. But
Okay.
maybe the
so
horse
you
will
answer
trick
my
me.
question then?
Good.
All right. No gossiping. Well, right across the board, no gossiping.
Yeah,
with
straight
me.
up.
Period. It bro, girl, it no matter. No gossiping.
Help a bro out.
This means what?
If your bro needs help, whether it's moving or fixing his car, you should be willing to lend a hand. That's what friendship is all about. Yeah.
A friend in need is a pest.
Right.
You ever notice? By the way, that is a joke. That is a joke. I would help my brother and my sister in any way I can.
Right.
But you ever notice that when your friend need help, it's all cute by him there, if not just round the corner from your house. You know? You ever notice that? You say, where are you? Chilani.
You know, say car broke down on me there, Adelphi. What?
This don't have nothing to do with it, but I'll forget a little joke quickly. I was at a game in Eltham, football match,
Right.
true story, high school game, and one of the old boys had to go in my car for something.
Right.
So match done, and everybody ready to leave, and everybody gone, and I go and I do have my key,
Right.
my brethren have it. So I said, no problem. So I called him and said, Ian, where there? Barbican, I Eltham me there. This is Friday evening. And you know what he did? He literally just stopped a bike man and just asked the bike man if he could bring it for me. And in about 15 minutes, the bike man was there. He never even know the youth. He just literally just see a bike man and he just asked him if he would do it and he would have pay him.
Right.
And the guy said yes, and him just say him feel him, trust him.
Wow.
So, well, there you go.
There you go. Look out for his girlfriend when he's not around.
What that mean, though? Hold on, no. What that mean? You don't really want to get me in trouble.
All right, so hold on.
What that mean?
Look out for his girlfriend when he's not around. So the out for, Zin, is not silent.
Is to make sure that she's okay.
Right.
Yeah, then, yeah. All right.
But that's cool.
I lock them and I lock me up. If I comment on that one before understanding it, I would have gone to jail. Don't let him do something stupid. Yeah, I agree with that.
Right.
Be there for the good times and bad times. Yeah.
True. Mm-hmm.
Hold on now. Mm-hmm. Listen to this one, you know, Clive David. If his girlfriend calls you and asks where he is, you don't know.
Well, if his wife calls, I definitely know where he is, but if his girlfriend calls, I don't know.
What's the difference? You mean if him have a wife and a girlfriend?
There you go, my friend.
But me don't have no friend like that. This is like my friends just have one lady.
One woman. Right.
No, but hold on now. So if she call and say, God...
No, man, I think it depends on the situation still, because, like, I've been on the receiving end of phone calls to say, yo, brethren, me there, yasso. In case of anything, this is where I am. This is where you know me to be.
Me have a friend that called me one morning and said, me I did go to the stage show last night. And I didn't go. And him never go either. Then he called me back and said, by the way, who did that on the stage? Then him come back and say, so who mash it up? Needless to say, him not with it anymore. All right.
Don't judge him if he cries.
No, you leave out if Cash is tight pitching for his beer.
Oh, all right.
Well, I don't know about that, you know.
No?
If Cash tight and he needs help, I will help him. But if Cash tight, I must just go buy him a beer because he not have money.
No, man, I like if we're out and not drink or we do road.
Oh,
and
that's different.
You know? Yeah.
That's different.
Yeah, man.
Hold each other accountable. No, don't judge him if he cries. Yeah, of course.
Right.
One for cry, yes. Hold each other accountable.
Yes, that's true. No,
Yeah.
and that is important. That's the biggest one for me still.
Yeah, man.
Because you grow up and you might make some silly decisions or whatever, but you still have to reach out to your brethren and say, yo, big man, act like a big man.
Yeah, we had to go to a football tour once, and they took us all in another country, and they took us all to a club, and everybody buying bottles of wine and rum and stuff, and I had a Pepsi. And when it done, I see the man add up everything and say, we have to share up the bill.
Yeah.
Me never did like that. But by the way, that's it for Manversations. Hey, Tommy, when after that, we're going for news. Me, if you don't see me, come back.